As you can see, my boat has some age on it like its owner. And it rolls quite nicely. I constructed a framework in here for my wheel unit, which is permanent. It does not come off. It's permanent. Of course, when you put the wheel unit that far back of the boat, it causes problems when you install the motor unit. So I had to come up with a way to shift the motor to the back of the boat. You know how this works. Well, since my wheel unit sits so far back of the boat, I had to do something so I could clear it with the motor. And as you can see, it just barely works. But it does fine, just as I want it to do, but it sits so far back that I didn't want the boat to look like it was planing. And when I put the battery back here, of course it adds more weight to the back of the boat. So in order to counter that, I had to move my seat forward so that my pontoon boat sits flat in the water. I incorporated a couple of things in the boat that are unique.
Okay.
One of the things I did was cut out some pieces of a plastic drum and put them on the side of my pontoon. That gave me a place to put my fishing pole holder rather than on one of these rails that's out of the way of the paddles. Also here I have a pad to put my hooks on. And another unique thing that I do that works well for me is I have a magnet up here. So I don't have to watch my knife fall in the water. I can just attach it there after I'm done using it. For me, it's very convenient, but one of the neatest ideas I came up with is the steering system. Since the motor sits so far back, I don't want to keep reaching back to move my motor. So I installed this unit. So I can steer the boat while I'm sitting in the seat, looking forward.
There you go. Re-steering, front paddle. From knee to knee there. Got a motor in the back. We saw the umbrella. He put that up earlier. Fishing rod, and he's got a fishing rod holder and paddles. And right now he's using his trolling motor. What, Dad?
If I want a drag race, I can do that too.